1924 Ford Model TT pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics, or maybe I should say Flatbed. C cab. Of course, the inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood, 201 cubic inch L head. Nice condition, kind of a flat black paint on it, I guess, if you will. The color it should be. Does have the 2-speed rear end, electric start, as well as this a optional manual start. If you want to see the still pictures of this, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, at the end of this video, we're going to start this truck up. So you can hear it run. We'll take a little peek underneath the hood, but stick around to the very end. We're going to take this old girl for a ride. Take it down the road, show you how it drives out. Of course, the vinyl bench interior. Your lever for the 2-speed rear end, of course. Theoretically, your parking brake, neutral, and drive. Of course, your brake, reverse, forward on the pedals. We'll get around to that in just a little bit. Cool truck. How fun would this be for local roll-ins, cruise-ins, parades? Maybe have some people on the flatbed here throwing a little candy. Pretty cool. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. You could put up stake sides on this, obviously, if you wanted to. Drives out nice. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Of course, this one will have doors that open on both sides. Driver's side and passenger side. I'm going to probably climb in the passenger side just because with the gimbal and the camera, everything, going to make it a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Let's get this thing fired up. Let you see how it runs. Take a peek at that engine bay. In the still pictures, you will be able to see the engine bay also. So there is a gas shutoff underneath it. Oh, probably about right behind the cab, I would say. There's a lever. I do have that turned on already. So we'll be ready to go. Right down here is the starter button by pushing that down right there. I'm going to pull this and make sure we have the parking brake all the way back. We put the yellow line on there. That is in, I guess, neutral, for lack of a better word, so we could actually push it around in our showroom and wouldn't have to drive it. Of course, the brake is on the right. Again, 2-speed rear end. When you turn the key to start it, we're going to turn it to the left. So, all right, let's fire it up. Timing, we have up towards the top. This is throttle over here. Should be pretty close there. All right. Do have choke right here also. You know, one little quick choke. Alright, there we go. Turn the timer back down. Listen to this one purr. Like I said, we've had this out driving. Drives very nice. There we go. See, the amp meter looks like it is working. Again, key to the left when you start it. It says choke. Slip around to the back so you can kind of hear this run. Like I said, this thing purrs. Smooth runner. And I could actually turn that idle down just a little bit too. No, sounds good. Once you be able to hear it run. check it out. We're going to take a look at this engine bay too in a second. So let's do this. Turn this throttle or idle down just a little bit. Let me pause this video quick. I want to get one of the sides of the hood up here so we can look at the engine. There we go. Side of the hood open. How cool is this? Look at the size of that carburetor. Intake and exhaust manifold. I love that belt. Simpler times, no doubt about that. (1924) Ford Model TT truck. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Remember, stick around. We're taking this thing for a drive yet. 507-386-1726. Call us. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we are in the 1924 Model TT truck. I'm going to take her around the parking lot for you. We're just going to be in low gear. It does have high gear. Love the simplicity of a Model T. It either works or it doesn't. This one works very well. Be sure and look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com or give us a call at 507-386-1726.